Well, hello there. Thanks for joining us. In this video, we're going to talk to you about what you need to look for in order to ensure that your Canadian immigration lawyer is actually licensed to represent you. This is necessary because we've gotten tons of questions from clients and prospective clients who have been duped in the past and who have questions and concerns and who just don't know for sure who is licensed and who is not. So we're going to be going into this in detail after the break. Of course, as always, remember to hit the subscribe button and to check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. We'll be right back. Welcome back. My name is Donovan Francis, and I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer, and I help skilled workers inside Canada and outside Canada to become Canadian permanent residents without having to deal with all of the complicated immigration forms that are part of that process. Now, in our interactions with clients and prospective clients, one of the questions that keeps coming up is a lot of clients seem to be unaware of how they might go about verifying the credentials of their Canadian immigration lawyer. Oftentimes, many of these clients have had bad experiences in the past with Canadian immigration consultants, and as a result have come to our firm as lawyers asking questions that they were not able to get answered elsewhere. And one of the concerns that is usually raised has to do with how do they know for sure that the person who is going to be representing them is actually licensed to represent them. Now, in this video, we'll be speaking about what the requirements are for lawyers across Canada generally, and also specifically for lawyers who practice in the province of Ontario. And do bear in mind that immigration services in Canada are offered primarily by lawyers, but they're also offered by immigration consultants. And immigration consultants are not lawyers, but they are practitioners who are governed by a different regulatory body. In this video, we're going to be focusing on the requirements for lawyers who practice in this field and what you need to look for to verify that your lawyer is suitably qualified. And so, generally speaking, in Canada, one of the requirements is that in order for any lawyer to practice within Canada, that lawyer has to be licensed by the licensing body in the province in which that person is operating. In the case of GOOSELAW Immigration, or law firm is located in the province of Ontario, which is the same province within which the city of Toronto is. And therefore, we are regulated by the Law Society of Ontario. And so if you have doubts, if you have questions about whether or not a lawyer who you have interest in representing you, if you have doubts about whether or not that person is licensed, the easy thing to do and the quickest and best thing to do is to go to the Law Society of Ontario's website, okay? And each province has its own, again, licensing body, and you may go to the applicable licensing body. In the case of Ontario, you go to the Law Society of Ontario's website, and then you go to the lawyer and paralegal directory, all right? And then once you get there, you are going to be doing a search for the lawyer, okay? In my case, you're going to be typing in my name under the lawyer or paralegal name field, and then you're going to do a search, okay? In my case, it's a lawyer rather than I'm not a lawyer, I'm not a paralegal, I'm a lawyer. So you check the box for a lawyer and you click find, and what happens? Voila, the names come up. So anybody who bears the names Francis, Donovan, is going to pop up. And as you see, there's my name, and you see the Law Society. They have all of the information here, and this is going to be the case for every single licensed lawyer within the province. You're going to see that I'm licensed as a lawyer. You're going to see the area of law in which I practice. You're going to see the name of the firm under which we practice, our street address, and so on and so forth. So this is going to be critical for you in verifying that your lawyer is actually licensed to represent you. In addition, you want to bear in mind that no lawyer nor any consultant is going to be able to guarantee you an outcome. And if anybody ever guarantees you or assures you of what the outcome is going to be pertaining to a Canadian immigration application, then that is not going to be an honest representation, because the truth is that ultimately final decisions on immigration matters are made by the immigration authorities, which is the the IRCC. And so no lawyer nor consultant is going to be able to guarantee you an outcome. And so where you are being given these guarantees, then you should see that as a red flag and something that you want to look out for when you're trying to find a suitably qualified and licensed representative to represent you in your Canadian immigration matter. I trust that you found value from this, and as always, do remember to hit the subscribe button and to check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com.